Hey guys, and welcome back to this week's weekly outlook. I'm not done for a couple of weeks now, I think, but here we go. Let me pull up the screen real quick. Got the charts ready and analyzed. Bit of cough still. I don't know why. All right, let's start with the Aussie dollar, US dollar. So, all right. With this, what we can see is price came down. This was the level, this line kind of marks the level of the weekly, weekly lower high. Price came down, retested off of that, made an evening star pattern, morning star formation, and it's pushed up. It's pushed up, it's found the level of resistance over here, broken above it, retested, and now I'm expecting to push higher. Plain and simple, right? If it does obey these rules upon the opening tonight or even tomorrow, I'll probably enter along on this because the overall sentiment is still bullish on this for me. Euro USD is a little different. On weekly, there is no sort of structure or anything, not for me at least anyways, but on daily you can see a lot of consolidation over here. In that consolidation, you can see break of structure. So it was high lows forming over here, and after this point, that is not the case. It's made lower lows and lower highs. On top of that, there seems to be a head and shoulders pattern over here. Been a breakout from the neckline and a retest, and now I'm expecting to push lower. So this will be a short position that I'll be looking to take on this, either on the break of this range box over here or at the top over there, to be seen. Ideally, at the break to the downside of the range box. USD CAD is interesting. It's still continuing the uptrend, the overall uptrend that I can see on the weekly, and on daily it seems to be starting to make these consolidations and then break to the upside rather than to the downside right now. Saying that, it's made a consolidation over here and broken to the downside with a potential retest as well. However, I give more weight for this to be bullish rather than bearish. So I'm going to wait for it to break, hopefully back above this level of resistance and above the range box over there. Because in the range box, if you look at the lower hourly time frames, say that for example, you can see somewhat head and shoulders like formation happening. There's a bit of choppiness over here, but left shoulder, head, right shoulder, potentially. If it breaks above the neckline, I'll take a long entry on this. Moving along, GPAUD. This is also continuing the uptrend. It made equal lows and it reversed, and now it's just traveling slowly around this area here. I want to wait for a break above this resistance and take a long on that. Simples, ideally, a break above this level of resistance, which I've been waiting for a long time, and then take a long. And I think then it can push up quite high quite quickly. GP Chef, it's in a downtrend on the weekly. On the daily, it's just been like consolidating, but making like discrete downtrend structure, I guess. What I'm expecting on this is price is in a bit of a range box over here. So expecting it to come lower after rejecting this level of resistance over there. Nice and simple. Of course, when I look into the lower hourly time frames, as price plays out, there'd be better confluences, but that's what I'm looking for right now. There's no structure on GPSD so far, what I can see on the high time frames. There was a triple top on this, and right now it's shown a rejection after obviously the third touch over there. And right now, price seems to be in consolidation. I want to see what it does when it reaches up this level over here. Or if it shows a retest over there, I'll take a short, or upon a break of this support over here, I'll take a short. Nice and simple. Okay, Euro JPY. It's made uptrend structure now, right, on weekly rather than downtrend, but similar to how Aussie dollar, US dollar happened, this is also rejected the previous lower high. Now, price was consolidating over here. It was a strong breakout above, retest of the consolidation area, and now expecting price to push higher and continue the uptrend that's happening. Yeah, I need a drink. I'm talking too much and my throat is just feeling mashed up right now. All right, GPJPY. Downtrend on this can be seen on the weekly. Oh man, apologies. You really got a drink. Okay. Weekly, downtrend. Daily, retracement. It's making uptrend structure over here. However, prices come into consolidation over here. Lost the momentum to push upwards right now. So I'm expecting if price was to break the support, for it to come lower. Oh, two more pairs left. Let's go. Level of support over here, holding very strong. I think it's had about 5-6 touches. Over here, price can be seen to be making a downtrend on the daily. There's a trend line in action over here as well. Nice level of resistance over there. If price was to go up and show rejection over there, that'd be a very nice entry for a short. Also, a break above this, below, break below this. Oh my God, struggling right now. Break below the support would also be a very good for rejection. Sorry, would be a very good place to enter for a short. Euro GBP, finally. Price in a massive range, as we already know. What I can see on daily right now is like downtrend structure happening over here. It doesn't really suggest much, but there's downtrend structure. If price was to break below this support and show us a retest, I might enter for a short. But that's about it. That's it for me for now, guys. I'm struggling. Oh my days, my voice. All right, anyways, peace. Actually, I hope everyone has a blessed trading week ahead. And yeah, peace.